So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download and install Telegram on Windows. So first of all, open any browser on your PC. Let's open Chrome. Now here search for Telegram download. So now click on this first link. Now here click on Get Telegram for Windows. Now this says Unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on Download Unverified file. And this will download Telegram. Now run the setup. Now here click on OK. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next again. Now click on Install. And this will start installing Telegram on your Windows PC. And now the Telegram is installed. Click on Finish. And this will launch Telegram on your Windows PC. Now you can click on Start Messaging. Log into your account and you can start using Telegram on your Windows PC. So this I can download and install Telegram on Windows. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.